I thought the lighting in here was usually better than this. But fortunately, most of you are not going to have to look at my face for long anyway. So hello, everyone. Welcome. This is another Doubtful Reversal, where I, a programmer, am designing or drawing, rather, and that guy, a designer, is programming. And we're building a Don't Starve mod.
Woohoo! So yes, I did try to fix the invisible character problem.
Okay.
Spent a couple hours messing around with it to no
luck.
avail.
Okay.
Yeah,
cool.
so
Well,
I guess
maybe we can both look at it and see if another set of eyes will help.
Another set of more capable eyes.
Well, even in programming, the more important thing is having more eyes. Because
well,
oh, that's interesting. Duck debugging. That's what it's called.
yes, the duck.
Yep.
Okay. I am screen sharing.
Cool. Me too.
Boom.
Into infinity. So, do I have all of your files in Dropbox?
You should.
Well, Dropbox isn't running, so that doesn't help.
Well, if you want to, I think you can right-click the folder and view the files online.
Yeah.
Look at them that way. Do.
None of that.
Yes, but it's been a massive exercise in futility.
Yeah. Alas. Alas.
But
focus.
I think we're gonna fix it this week.
Yeah.
I have.
Hope so. So the main question for me is those XML and Atlas files. I don't know what those are supposed to be exactly.
Okay, I did look up that.
Okay.
In the animation folder, it has the Atlas and the build. It doesn't need the XML because that information is held in the bin file.
Okay. Cool.
So I've looked at several other mods and they don't have an XML file there either. So
okay, cool. How did you create that bin file?
Yeah. Good question. It was a part of the mod, like the basic mod editor.
Okay.
To adjust the one word that I needed to adjust for that file.
Okay.
So I have hexfiend.app here. And if I open it with hexfiend, okay. I have this mess and this word up here I needed to change to Winnick.
Okay.
And that apparently is supposed to be it.
Okay.
But yeah.
Well, then maybe it's not the Atlas file. That sounds reasonable.
Possibly.
To me.
I also replaced the, oh boy. Can't even remember everything I did. What a mess. I replaced the Atlas file with a completely new sprite sheet and everything.
Mhm.
The one we were using is not working, and it's
Okay.
just
Hmm.
it doesn't seem to affect it at all.
Odd.
Yes, indeed.
Octodad. I'm thinking about just downloading another one of these mods and poking around in it, see if we can find anything different.
Excuse me. Actually, before I do that, there is one mod in our Doubtful Reversal folder.
Okay.
Workshop 169851521. Yeah, down at the bottom. And that is the skeleton mod.
Okay.
So
excellent.
That's the thing.
Nope.
I was trying to compare the two and figure out what was wrong, but yeah, to no avail.
That's interesting. Caitlin. That XML file is not very big. Wonder about this. Nope. Lua.
Caitlin. That must be the other one. Oh, I see. I had that in there. I just don't think I think it hasn't been Dropbox.
Yeah. Okay. Text files.
But yeah, Caitlin has a bunch of complicated mods, so it's the she has a bunch of different characters that she can become and such.
Okay. It's funny. Paranoid Caitlin, psychotic Caitlin, Shadow Heather, Shadow Kyle.
Yep.
It's interesting.
I don't really know. It's interesting though.
It is. Nope, don't do that.
So
back. Get away from me.
Oops.
Really? Template is included. Character stats. Come now. How now, brown cow? My brain is firing very random things today. So I apologize in advance. Yeah, so we're actually what? What are you saying?
I was about to say my brain is firing almost nothing at all, so
wow. Not getting much sleep over there?
Not last night.
Yeah.
Anya has been having some yeah.
Yep.
You know. But yeah, you were saying.
Yeah, we're beta testing the software for the for within the fold right now. I have been for a few days now, which is terrifying and exciting. It's going fairly okay.
That's cool. I'll look forward to seeing it.
It's gonna be...
Deadlines are powerful, aren't they?
Yes, they are. And we had some of that liquid amber blend coffee this week, and I wish we would have gotten more than 1 pound. It's
Oh
delightful.
yeah, it's good.
So good.
Yeah, we're really enjoying it. We've got just about through 5 pounds.
Wow.
We got a couple months ago, and still got 5 to go. So
Yep. That's nice.
let's see. I guess there's one thing that I did not abide by in this particular tutorial.
Okay.
Is the, let's see. She says somewhere that you should only use 3 letters for the name.
Okay.
No. There have been tons of examples of mods and stuff that have not done that. And so I just kind of ignored it, but
yeah,
maybe should attempt that.
Yeah. Probably wouldn't hurt.
Yeah.
That's kind of a ridiculous requirement, but I've heard worse things.
You should limit. Yeah. So maybe I'll start with that.
Okay. I'm just kind of going through this tutorial trying to wrap my brain around this stuff. This is not what I'm looking for. Text tool. Oh, come on. Goodness. My computer is not liking something. Doggone it.
Images.
Clay, if you're watching us, you should not require logging in to download files.
Agreed.
Especially if you show the download button and then just 404 if someone clicks it. It's very bad. That's not what I'm looking for anyway.
Yes, that was extremely confusing when I started out. It was like nothing is actually available.
Yep, nothing works.
What?
Because their forum software is dumb.
Also, if you're watching, help. Send help.
Yes.
Oh dear.
That's tools. Ah. Do you have Matt's build renamer? Wonder if that would.
I don't know that I do.
That might do a little bit of good. If it's it's Windows only. Lost.
Yeah, I was thinking it was. Is that for converting to text?
Yeah. It is.
Yeah, for Mac you need to use KTech.
KTech.
I think. Yeah. So you can install it, and it's just a command line. You type KTech and then the file, and it converts it to
Cool.
XML, which I hope is the way I want to do it. So that would be
cool.
Hopefully that's correct. It might be.
Yeah.
That could be a possible place where it's messing up.
That is true.
That's no longer the way to do it. Yeah.
This looks right though. Maybe. Tech converter. KTech. Image magic. Mac ports. Oh my. This is a rabbit hole. Did you install Image Magic?
I don't remember. Image Magic. My goodness. Is Davey throwing dishes around there?
Or? Something like that.
I don't think I installed Image Magic.
Okay. That could be an issue. Potentially. Although it shouldn't need it for just converting tech files. Oh, I don't have Mac ports. Brew, yes please. Image Magic is spelled really strangely. Oh my. It's a lot of steps. Don't think I need any of these steps. Interesting. Ah. Very interesting. That's working.
What?
I got Image Magic working.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, not.
It's working. What?
Yep.
Huh?
Sorry. Nope.
That would have been very surprising.
Not quite what I meant. Let's see. So I've got that. Unzip the package. this guy isn't super happy with the forums either. Downloads, CK tools, configure, and make. Well, that's not good. What is wrong with you? Make. We aren't biking to get today, by the way.
All right, I can live with that.
Okay. I mean, we could, but not with Timothy.
Are we just going to drive and pick him up?
He's working today.
Really?
Yep. So, alas. I don't know if I need this or not.
Who knows?
They don't list it as something I need.
Oh wait, don't start. Play.
So you have this installed for, you can just do KTech in your terminal. That works?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Oh. Quit.
Let's try it. Oh, what a pain. I agree, C-Make. Do your thing. We went and saw the Goner Melodrama last night.
How was it?
It was pretty good. They had no tech crew to speak of.
Wow.
And so it was the actors and actresses moving stuff around, and the set was almost more fragile than our sets usually are, which is saying something. So there were pretty much every scene change a moment where some actor or actress almost knocked something over and like destroyed the whole set, and managed to not do that, and the audience applauded them every time.
Oh dear.
It was a good show though.
Good.
Just a little bit nerve-wracking at times.
And Amalia was in that, yeah?
Yep. She had a pretty significant part in it.
That's awesome.
And she did very, very well, naturally. And she had a singing part too.
Wow.
Very cool.
That's great. Good for her.
Yeah.
Well, so now it works not at all.
Okay.
So that's
Well, sometimes you gotta break something to build it back up, right?
just gotta crack a few eggs to make an omelet.
It's true.
That's right. I'm just so. I don't know.
Really, Mac? Really? After all these years?
Is your computer finally turning on you?
Well, it won't let me open an application that I just downloaded because it's from an unidentified developer. Which is a setting.
Adjust your security settings.
Yep, which I've adjusted before. Because as a programmer, there's no way I can ever not use something just because Apple doesn't know about them.
Yep.
Security.
Happens. It seems to be only if it comes from the Mac App Store. Is it okay?
Pretty much.
Which, I mean, who uses the Mac App Store? Really?
Yep. That's a good question. Anywhere. Allow from anywhere. Thank you. Good talk. Good talk, he said.
That's yeah.
I don't know if this installs the command line tools or not. This application. It probably does not. Hello. Hiding behind everything else. CMake. Where's the source code? I will tell you where the source code is. Yeah, my computer's been showing its age, though. It's been a while since I've done any significant development on this laptop. So working on this side project has been a little bit hairy.
Well, it's probably upset that you haven't been spending enough time with it.
Probably.
Text.
Come now. Do your job. This guy's a snob.
Huh?
This guy who released KTools. It's like, this is a source release, and I intend to keep it that way. It's his final comment, and his username is couldn't be simpler. Kind of a.
What is the source release?
Well, it's you have to download and build the project using, all the command line stuff. You can't just download it and install it.
I see.
You have to make your computer do all the work. And for a lot of programmery types like this guy, it's kind of a way to keep non-programmery types out. Kind of a right of heritage type thing.
Sounds pretty snobby. Although, let's see. This dude's got 5,000 posts on the Clay forums. I'm sure he's tired of People posting, "Hey,
Probably.
teach me how to mod, please. Thanks."
Yep. That's true. That's true. Valid
So,
points.
I understand having a certain barrier of entry to filter out the people who just don't care, but
Indeed.
also
That is a mess.
there seems to be a good chunk of the programming kind of culture that is purposely obtuse.
Mhm.
Like,
True.
if you don't get it, you never will, dude.
Yep.
Sorry.
This is sad but true.
I suppose
I saw someone in my field complaining about that the other day because, doggone it. Where was I going with that? Oh yeah, complaining about elitism, they call it, and how bad it is for industries as a whole, just from history. It's like elitism is a killer for industries. If you don't make it easy for people to come into your industry, then it's gonna die.
Absolutely.
Inevitable.
Yep. Yeah, and that's a problem. And it also, I'm sure keeps a lot of people. It makes it a lot harder for people to start messing around with development.
Yep.
Because it's taken quite a bit of time. It took quite a bit of time for me to understand the whole install from command line, and there's so much that's just kind of like completely different.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yep. True.
At like the multiple times that I've jumped in and tried to learn something, it's been like, I don't even know what the words you're using.
Yep. It's definitely a whole nother language.
Yeah.
Actually, lots of different languages.
There's a portion of it that has to be that way.
Yep.
But there's also
a
lot to be said for communicating well and clearly about a complex subject, and that doesn't always happen with things.
Nope. This is obnoxious. Failed create some link installation. Maybe complete. I'm gonna spend this whole time just trying to get the stuff installed. That's what I want. Why did no one tell me that sooner? Homebrew will save your life every time.
I do have Homebrew installed.
Yay!
I know that.
They're so good. Can't beat Homebrew.
I have no concept of what Homebrew is. I just installed it. Is it like a group of people?
It's a how do I explain it? It's a application manager for Mac. So not only does it install things really easily, like just typing brew install cmake, and it just does everything for you, but it also like keeps it up to date and makes it really easy to uninstall should the need arise. Just kind of keeps everything nice and organized for you.
Nice.
Which is lovely. And you don't have to think about it at all. Yay, it works. I should have tried that first.
I think I might just watch your screen for a while.
Okay. Pressure's on.
There's not a whole lot of pressure because it all goes right over my head, I think.
I'm just trying to get the stuff installed right now. I'm not doing anything crazy. So I think that should do it for that. I don't understand why he puts the installation instructions under a spoiler alert. Doesn't make sense
I
to
think
me.
they do it to keep it short sometimes.
Yeah, I suppose makes sense. If it runs without errors, executable will be placed in your current directory. All right.
Or he wants people to figure it out themselves. And, well, if you really need help, here's the spoiler.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That would kind of make sense. From couldn't be simpler.
Yeah, Simplex.
Simplex.
It's even his username.
Yep.
He has made a ton of
2
mods.
years. Yeah.
But yeah.
Up and away
Interesting.
alpha. Yep, true. Location in a simplicial complex? Simplicial?
Who knows?
Snob. Spell simplicial. What do you say? It doesn't exist. Not a word. Oh, not .org. Simplicial. Having to do with
Well,
what are those?
mathematic. A simplicio complex is a topological space of a certain kind constructed by gluing together points, line segments, triangles, and n-dimensional counterparts.
Wow.
Simplicial complexes should not be confused with the more abstract notion of a simplicial set appearing in modern simplicial homotopy therapy. The purely combinatorial counterpart to a simplicial complex is an abstract simplicial complex. So now you know.
Okay.
And it appears to have something to do with his avatar because it is.
Yes, that's true.
Point and lines and planes.
That makes sense. Okay, now I'm kind of jealous of the guy.
Because he knows what a simplicial complex is, or at least pretends to know.
Kind of a clever set of things that he has set up.
That's true.
It's an optional final step. We'll perform a system. Right, we'll do that. Don't steal my password.
That would be difficult.
Well, you can hear the typing. I'm sure each key has a slightly different sound. You could potentially figure out what it was.
Oh rats! I didn't have my my typing audio translation app.
Andrew, you're slipping. How can you not have that running right now?
It just really bogs down the computer a lot.
I suppose it would.
Changes window loading to from almost instantaneous to about 2 years.
Yep. That's unfortunate. We don't have settings like that. Pixel format. I wonder if this could be your problem if you don't have all of these settings correct. Although it comes from, it's specifically built for Don't Starve, it looks like. KTech. So
I don't know.
Fixed and re-uploaded. Ignored. It looks like he's fixed a lot of issues that people had with it.
Okay.
So maybe that's not an issue. So once you've done that, you'll want to name your file Atlas 0. What file? File you downloaded.
Atlas 0.
Template is included. Easily tell you. I hate it when people say in tutorials, this should be easy, or this should easily tell you. It's such a obnoxious thing. It's like, okay, yes, but a lot of times with a tutorial like this, it's more about how you explain it. You haven't explained it well enough for it to be easy.
Yep.
If you say this is easy, then you probably haven't explained it well enough.
Same thing with obviously.
Yes. Yes, that's one of the worst. And I don't even see these guides that he's talking about in here. It says, you'll see a template is included. That should easily tell you. So we've got the template image. I guess that's what he's talking about.
Yeah, I think so.
So that's the one we were working off before, which is good. Turn it into a text file, which is where the previous name text tool. Okay, name your file Atlas 0. So KTech then, let's convert that template, presumably.
Yeah.
So, and I'm sure you've already done all of this, but might as well try it again.
In my experience with this type of thing, it seems to be just doing the same thing over and over again until it works.
Yep. It's true.
By definition, acting as if you are insane. Like,
it's true.
The couple of times that I've built a website is pretty much that. Like, okay,
yep.
Follow the steps again. That didn't work. Okay, do it again.
Yep. It's true. See what this does. Well, I created a text file. That's good, I guess. Not what I wanted it to do. I wanted an Atlas file. Atlas 0. Put it in the WAD zip file. How do you put it in?
If you unzip the file, that will become a folder. And that already has an Atlas text file that you have to replace.
Kill. Oops.
Atlas -0. Yeah.
Going in WAD.
Don't mind me while I backseat drive here.
No worries. Compressing. All right. Adding new stats. But that should be the, okay, I'm going to ignore stats for now.
Yeah.
Need the comment in the file. Is there anything here I actually have to do? What file are you having to modify right now? Prefab folder. Oh, they have a to-do, so maybe you do have to add some stuff in here. Prefabs to-do, add example special power. Might to seem troubling that we have no base power to work with. Yes, indeed, I am very troubled by that.
It's ruined my day.
Clock speed. Global variables. Under there. I will take
Now, this
your
is
report.
this is a wonderful comparison to anyone who's watching. You take this video and compare it to me doing the exact same things for the past week.
Oh, wow.
You will see that.
What we should actually probably be doing here is, since I'm programming, you should probably be cleaning up my images.
That's a valid point.
Mhm.
We're almost done here, but what I really want to do is take this video and set it next to the recording of my screen doing the same things, and see how many times I can play your set of actions in the time it takes for me to do it once. Put funny music in the background, like yeah.
Wow, I do this every day.
Oh, yes,
day,
yeah.
without fail. Even on my days
It's
off.
just funny.
Wad. It's a lot of wads. I can probably leave wad for now too. Handsome Matt made it even easier to program.
Thank you, handsome Matt.
Builder namery, except it's a Windows tool.
But here's the thing, Matt. You can say anything on the internet. So
Indeed.
I don't know about that. Besides, when you call yourself handsome Matt, everyone just automatically assumes that you're not.
Yep. Pretty much. You gotta say it.
Oh dear. Yes. Yeah.
In-game text, I don't need that either. All right. So do you know off the top of your head what folder you have to put this in to get it to run?
Yes, I do.
Excellent.
Yes. Go to Macintosh HD users. Your name, library, application support, Steam apps,
Users.
common.
It's not working. I thought that was the one. How long are they? It's not my name. Oh, darn it. Users. How many there? What was it after that? Steam?
Library.
Library.
Application space support.
Application space?
Not scripts support. No, there's a space in between the words.
Gotcha.
Application support. Steam apps, one word.
Steam apps. Excellent.
Common.
This is
Don't
insane.
underscore starve. That's really don't underscore starve.
Don't starve.
We're ridiculing him for being a snob. Yeah, and then well, yeah, you just have to, because then you could have gone don't starve underscore steam dot app and contents. Gotcha. So go to it's okay. You can just click on the thing.
I'm in contents.
Resources, maybe? No, mods folders right there. Yeah.
There it is. Excellent. Sample
So
character.
just drop it in there.
It probably won't work. It seemed way too simple. Oh,
boy.
But you know, sometimes things are simple.
It's true.
Sometimes. And it was like a sample character pack made for this purpose. So we'll see.
Sometimes simple things are hard, okay?
True. Well, there was a lot of setup.
This week on Doubtful Reversal, Andrew gets defensive. I did the hard work. As Timothy replicates all of his work of 5 weeks in under 12 minutes.
Well,
gosh.
I mean, I can still quite easily turn the tables and say, you know, the images I spent 5 weeks drawing, you probably could have whipped out in an hour.
Oh, absolutely.
Easily.
This is the point of of the whole exercise. Because if we'd wanted to do it quickly and efficiently, we wouldn't have
Yep.
wouldn't have decided to. Let's see. Your screen has gone black.
Yes, it has for me too. My computer is slow. Very slow.
Do 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 do.
Oh no. I heard a like Gmail thing, like someone's chatting with me. Interesting.
Strange.
They will have to wait. Downloading mods, verifying mod cache. Downloading mods. Map icons. Octodad. Sample character. Hey, it's here. Apply that. Have you seen this creature?
I have. It's interesting.
Yeah. I haven't played it.
I haven't played much of it. Yeah.
I had no clue that this engine could do that. Sort of a effect. It's pretty crazy.
That was pretty impressive. I didn't think it was that type of game is not very compelling to me.
Me too. Oops.
Just kind of like
Not good.
aha.
Okay, so I missed an XML file.
Okay.
Looks like.
Yes, you have to have one for big portraits and for the what's it? The other one.
Yep. Yeah, the Atlas. Stuff.
Let's see. Let me just look at my
That's a useful error, though.
It
very
is.
Good.
It gives you information.
Yes, it does.
What a
What it's supposed to do.
concept.
Go away. Sample character mod.
Yeah, so in the big portraits folder, you should have a text file and XML file for the big portrait, and then in the images file, you should have save slot and select screen portraits with XML files and text files.
Okay. He doesn't mention that in this tutorial, which is odd.
The thing is, I thought they were already there in the custom character thing.
Yeah.
But
well, it seems like. Oh, XML. I don't want to just copy your your XML files because that might be what's causing the issue. I don't know. So no XML atlas texture.
I'm going to have to call it quits.
Okay.
We're going to a farmer's market.
Ah, good. That'll be nice.
Yes.
Cool.
There's this one guy at the farmer's market who sells his own like artisan cheeses.
Nice.
You talk to him and you can tell this is like his thing.
Mm-hmm.
He's talking about the aging of the different cheeses and what went
really
into
cool.
them. It's awesome when you talk to someone who's fanatical about it.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
Yes.
Cheese is a great thing to be nerdy about.
Oh yeah, it is. We got I've had a lot of blue cheeses, but the one we got from him was just the best.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Nice. Man, you guys get all the best food.
Oh yeah.
I think we need to...
well we seek it out, and
Yep.
when you guys come to visit us again, next time you do, then there will be much rejoicing.
Yay.
And much food.
Sounds good. I'm gonna have to work my way that way.
Yeah. Well, of course, you've got a big life change coming.
That's it. Yeah.
And that's super exciting.
It'll open things up a little bit more for, swinging by every now and again.
Yeah, that's exciting.
So.
All right. Well.
Cool.
Our best.
I'll poke around at this a little bit more. See if I can maybe figure out a problem with it.
All right.
So
I'm sorry. Stop screen sharing here.
Oh hey, we're wearing the same shirt.
Ta-da!
Happy Virtue Day.
And yes, this took like maybe 8 minutes to draw. 10 minutes.
Of course it did.
Well, this was like the one that I had drawn one for the play, like agonized over drawing the, what Mom and Amalia wanted. Sent it to them. Mom said, I don't really like it. Can you just draw me something I wanted to draw?
There's a lesson there.
All right.
Cool.
Yeah, I'll see you next week, or
sounds good.
Talk to you sooner, maybe.
Yeah. Or talk at me.
Well, yeah. There's that.
So, yeah.
I'll be seeing you.
It's true.
Later.
So, all right. Have a good one.
Ciao, Timmy.